Okay, so I think we're fine now. I'm hoping for at least 10 views today. That's my today's, you can say, target. So I outlined this area on, I think, Saturday or on Monday. So I outlined this area as a potential draw on liquidity on the upside. And you can see that the market went there nicely. We had some trades yesterday. Let me show you. Those were our trades. One from here. Let me go a bit to the lower time frame. Actually, this entry was not live, and I didn't take it on my account because I missed it. I wasn't present at the time when it happened. It was actually a trade from here. I was looking for it, but I just unfortunately missed it because, real life kicks in and we have to accept that. So then in the live session yesterday, I gave a sell from here, targeting this area, and we hit a target in that live session. And then in that same live session, we took a buy from here. And I said in the live stream that my target number one was would be this high, and I put it my TP1 here and let the rest of the entries to make it to this liquidity area. And I closed the stream somewhere here, I think. And then in the night, I posted about this move that we're having some turbulence. But I said, trust me, we're going to make it. And you see it here. We made it. And it was a very nice delivery. Today, I didn't trade at all. And I was just working with thumbnails, learning how to make them because I never did that before. I just know how to trade, nothing else. So let's take a look at today's price action first. Then, actually, I outlined this fair value gap. Let's highlight it before it mitigates this here. I'm right now looking at it, but as you can see, we had a structure shift here. The market went there, then came back down, little retracement, then came up again, took this high, and then dropped back down. So this was a low that indicated a structure shift. So even if it comes here and gives a delivery, I'm not taking it because right now I don't have a clear area as a drawn liquidity. I have one here, but it is just too close to it. So I'm not taking a trade from here. And it is a monthly area, I think, an FVG. Let me show you. Man, yesterday's deliveries were very good. They were really good. Actually, it's my first time streaming a nice delivery live. We had 0 losses so far. It's been just 3 days, I think. We started from Monday and it's today, Wednesday. So that's the 3rd day. So here we have this FVG, and I'm looking for the market to get into it and then drop down here into this area. And you would see a potential shift of trend, I would say, into bullish after a long time. Gold has been going down for months. Since March, it's been going down. And it isn't gonna go up before it comes into this area and fills this inefficiency. So yesterday's trades were one ratio 11.75, and the second one was one ratio 15.5. And I'll show you the results on my account to prove to you that I really took it, because you're not gonna go to yesterday's stream and see if I took it or not. So just to prove it, I'm gonna show it to you here. It is taking too long. Let me just open it. I'm not opening my account just to be on the safe side. So here you would see that was me taking pictures for thumbnails, and it's here. You see those buys? I gave those buys yesterday in the live session, and you can see it gave me that around 15% on my account. Yeah, it just opened. No, it's 13%. You see here, it will be too small to look into, so that this one on the screen is better, I think. Let's go back to the chart. If I were here today, I would have taken a trade here in this candle, a buy, because you see that was a significant low. Sell side liquidity was residing below it. Sell side liquidity. Because you know, in order to go up, we need sell side liquidity. We need sellers to sell to buyers. And the algorithm offers that every day, every time, every week, every month. And then we had this FVG that was filled, and the market gave a really nice delivery after that, around around 550 pips. It's the afternoon session right now, New York PM session or the afternoon session, whatever you call it. Here it starts. And in the break time, New York lunch hour, the market goes against the trend. And in the afternoon session, the market goes into a potential discount and offers better prices. When it's bullish, a discounted price, and when it's bearish, it usually provides a premium after the lunch hour for the traders to get back into the market. And it did it here. You see, that's optimal trade entry zone that I'm not expecting it to go all the way up from here. I'm expecting it to go into this area and then come back here, fill in that inefficiency, and then go up. But I don't see a great potential on the upside because, we have this FVG here, we have this FVG, we have those order blocks, we have this order block. I'm sorry, this order block with this FVG, and I'm not expecting it to go up now. We can sell from there, but I'm not gonna sell either because I don't have clarity right now. On the upside, because we have this FVG here, we have this FVG. I'm actually right now watching my own stream in order to make sure that everything is going smoothly. The upside. So everything is clear. Here we go. We have a like, finally. And one view. Trust me, it's my first like, and it is feeling really good. The first like on my channel, actually. I liked my own video yesterday. So I wouldn't consider that one a like. So that's the first one. Comment below from where you're watching, your country's name, or your city, your state. If we don't have any movement here, then let's just learn something. If you want to learn something, drop a comment in the live chat and I'll teach it to you. I'll crop down a video of our yesterday's live session, live stream of this trade, and I'll put it on my channel so that someone new comes, he can watch the entries only, because no one's gonna watch a, a whole 2 hour stream. Oh, there is no movement right now in the market. Market is dead. It didn't even touch it yet. We have this here. And this one here. And we have those auto blocks here. Let me go to 5 minutes to appreciate it a bit more, get a better sight into the price action. And that looks pretty bearish right now. The structure shifted here, as you can see. Why did that disappear? Okay, it was here. So if we would have taken this trade, let me break this down first. Let's go to 5 minutes. So in the 5 minutes chart, You see, we took out those all relative equal lows. If you're watching in a short video, I think you can see it now. So the market took all those relative equal lows here, massive liquidity, and then in order to enter, we would look for a structure shift. Nothing here. After structure shift, let's see if we can find anything. So the structure shifted here, or if I were taking it, I would have been looking here because there was liquidity sitting here, those FVGs. So I wouldn't take a trade after a shift. After a shift here, I wouldn't take a buy. I would wait for this to break, and after it breaks, I would look for auto blocks, FVGs, but the market didn't deliver at all today. You see, there was no entry. There was none. One here, but I don't like those ones. Let's go to 1 hour and see if we could find some liquidity zones. Let me first delete those old annotations. So we don't have 1 hour structure shift. This red candle should support it. This candle. If it breaks this here, then we're bearish. But the daily candle is totally bullish. Let's see where it closes. I see it closing at above 41.20. You see those older annotations on my chart. This was an FVG. This candle stabbed into it. This is a daily chart, and you can see the delivery here from from 4,116 to 4,031, around, I think, if I'm not wrong, 850 pips, or with a 0.01 lot. $85 in profit. So from here, we took that trade to target this area, keeping this area in the mind that this is the potential draw on liquidity. So we had a clear perspective. And today, if I buy from here, I'm not confident in it because it just it is so close to it, to that area, and I don't want unnecessary risk. It's been 44 minutes. I don't know what's going on here. How many views do I have? 2. So actually it is 1 because 1 is me. Let me see if we don't have anything here to do. I would just end the stream here. And yeah, there is no volatility here right now in the market. It is neither going up into this area nor coming into this area here. So I think I should close because it's boring for both you and me. So bye bye. Take care. Be safe. See you tomorrow.